Hello and welcome back to my second part of the Vibrato series. Today I'm going to show you how I use a method that I call scroll support. So I'm finding hard surface that I can put my scroll, the scroll of the violin, which is going to be protected by something like you can have a leather or another surface that make the violin not slide and not scratch the surface of your scroll. And then I'm also finding a right position that feels comfortable for my body, so I'll not rotate my body in a natural position, and also stay correct with my feet, so that I'll feel natural in my position. And then I hang with my fingers on the fingerboard and feel the freedom of the support. Also feel very relaxed on my thumb and on my shoulder. And then I try to vibrate with every finger very, very slowly without the bow. Like you can play the scale in first position in A string, very, very slow. Then you can try to do the same in the third position on the A string. Just feel how it is to have this freedom of the hand, and feel that every finger has a different kind of requires a different kind of movement. For example, if I want to vibrate with my fourth finger in a high position, using arm vibrato, because this makes my finger feel more free. I feel somehow more stiff if I have to vibrate from my wrist on this finger. So you may also discover that every finger and string and position of your hand requires a different kind of vibrato. So that's why it's also very helpful to try to vibrate both with your wrist and with your hand. You can also combine. This is what we do. It's a combination of wrist and hand vibrato. Even so, the feeling can be somehow that you use the wrist more or the arm more, but the motion is the same. It is coming even from your shoulder. If you feel tension, it's usually two reasons. One is that you're pressing your fingers on the fingerboard too hard, or you may also see that your motion, vibrato motion, is not aligned with your fingerboard. So the fingerboard is going vertical, which means that we also need to have this vertical motion of the vibrato. It needs to go that way, vertical. The main benefit of this exercise is that you don't need to support your violin with your body, and that makes your shoulder relax. And also you have to think about to release the index finger from the board, that it only touches the fingerboard on the surface with your skin. And the same goes for the thumb. It's just very, very relaxed position of the hand. And that is difficult if you have to support the violin from the shoulder. Of course, when you make the exercise part of your routine and you feel more in balance with the movement, when you have tried to just feel the movement in your body, in your like even if you close your eyes, you should be able to feel how is it to move your hand when you do the vibrato on the support. Then you can remove the support and just try to have the same feeling in your body as you had when you had the support. I hope that this exercise will help you to achieve even better vibrato. So please let me know in the comments below what you think, and if you have, if you discover other problems while doing this exercise, and let me know. And stay tuned for my next video about vibrato.